warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. How are you today? Alhamdulillah, powerful, excellent, yes, Allah Akbar. Yeah. In the name of Allah, the most gracious and the most merciful. The next is excellency for Abiyamin Anuda of Director Rekam Harimani Pida, and honorable to all my teacher and all my friend and my family. My name is Amr Hamama. Al-Quran Lari Baginda. Today, in here, I want to present my imaginary map, and the title is Cause of Tiger of Unity Part 2. Part 2. Different types of sneezing. Yeah, we hear them every day and have grandiose sneeze. Yeah, sneeze cute as a mouse. The next is surprise their sneeze. This is keeping them internal and your body respond different and allergy. The next is variations in sneezing. Yeah, this is this is a sensitivity to irritants and stimuli altogether. Stimuli altogether, respiratory muscle strength, and a woman to keep closed eyes
Open.
and close the eyes and tissue ya. Terus habis and the next is covering your mouth and nose, and next step is wash your hand. Wash your hand after avoid exposing. In the last, this is etiquette sneeze in Islam.
Ayo kelas 10 dipegatin dulu airnya, langsung dipimpin apelnya kelas 10.
We can doa because Saiton Lauki, and you're reviving sunnah, and you can say Alhamdulillah, ya Rahmatullah, and Yahdikumullah. This is into Hadith 6224 in Al-Adab, Hadith Riwayat Al-Bukhari. I think enough. Thank you for attention. Wabillahi taufiq wal hidayah. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.